Hi everyone. Today we would like to present our software engineering project. We are from session 01A, group 1. Our topic is related to the marketplace system and our case study is related to the carousel. Now I will start my presentation by introducing our team member. Our team has three members. I am called Tan Wei Ming and my team matrix number is CB24099 and I was a project manager. Next, we also have the assistant analytic where she is called Noor Afifa Janati and her matrix number is CB24046. Last, we also have a programmer where he is called Muhammad Fidas and his matrix number is CB24052. Now, I want to introduce my case study. What is a carousel? Carousel is a multi-category classified and e-commerce marketplace that makes selling as easy as taking a photo, buying as simple as chatting. We also can say that the carousel is a platform that provided to the user to selling their second-hand item. The carousel marketplace has a diverse range of products across a variety categories, including the car, lifestyle, gadget, and fashion accessories. The user can find the second-hand item in the carousel with the cheaper price than the market, which is the first-hand.
Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Fidaus bin Mujibur Rahman, matric number CB24052, and today I'll be presenting a case study on Carousel, a popular online marketplace in Malaysia. Carousel connects buyers and sellers in a community-driven economy, enabling the exchange of both new and pre-loved items. With its intuitive interface, the platform offers a user-friendly experience for listing, browsing, and completing transactions. Additionally, Carousel promotes sustainability by encouraging the reuse of goods, making it not just a marketplace but a sustainable ecosystem for consumers. Carousel aims to provide a seamless marketplace for users by offering features that simplify buying and selling. Its services include detailed product listings to help users make informed decisions, search and filtering tools for quick and easy navigation, and user reviews that establish trust between buyers and sellers. Furthermore, the platform facilitates secure communication through messaging and ensures smooth transactions with payment integration. Importance of software engineering. Software engineering is the backbone of Carousel's development, ensuring it operates reliably, securely, and efficiently. Scalability is a primary focus, enabling the platform to support a growing user base and expanding product inventory without compromising performance. Security is equally critical. Carousel implements strong authentication and encryption protocols to safeguard user data and transactions. User experience is another key area where software engineering contributes to designing an intuitive and visually appealing interface. Through systematic testing and quality control, bugs are minimized and reliability is ensured. Additionally, advanced features like AI-powered recommendations and personalized searches are developed using software engineering principles, keeping Carousel competitive and aligned with user expectations.
Activities for incremental development. First, specification. This phase begins with identifying the core functionalities of the platform, such as user registration. Then, developers also specify non-functional requirements, including performance, scalability, and security. During this phase, input from stakeholders is important. Developers collect feedback from potential users, business owners, and technical experts to ensure the specifications meet real-world needs. Second, development. This begins with selecting a small prioritized set of requirements to focus on, such as developing the user registration system or the product listing feature. Developers write code for these features in small manageable increments, making sure each part is fully functional and can be tested independently. Throughout this phase, the team utilizes version control tools to monitor change and facilitate collaboration among team members. Regular feedback from testers and stakeholders during the development phase helps to identify any issues early on, ensuring that the website evolves in a manner that meets user needs and aligns with project goals. Third, validation. During this phase, all features developed in earlier increments undergo various tests, such as functional tests, user acceptance testing, performance testing, and security testing. Any issues or bugs identified during testing are communicated back to the development team for resolution before the website is made available to users. The aim of the validation phase is to ensure that the website is stable, reliable, and performs effectively. Fourth and lastly, evolution. After each development increment, the website is launched in a testing environment where users and stakeholders can engage with the new features. This feedback is thoroughly examined to pinpoint errors needing improvement. The evolution phase is iterative, meaning the website is regularly updated with new features or modifications informed by this feedback. Next, question 4b, expected deliverables for each process activities. First, specification. The expected deliverables for the specification phase involves creating detailed documentation that outlines the project goals, requirements and features. This includes a requirements specification document, which lists all the functional requirements and non-functional requirements. Additionally, a prioritized backlog is created, which breaks down the features into smaller, manageable tasks that can be developed gradually. Lastly, a project plan or timeline is developed, outlining the milestones and deadlines for each increment. Second, development. The expected deliverables for the development phase of Carousel.com include the actual code and features that fulfill the requirements outlined in the previous stage. The deliverables include working software modules for each feature, such as user registration and product listing. Developers also provide documentation for the code, explaining how it works, and how it can be maintained or modified in the future. Additionally, unit tests for each module are delivered to ensure that individual components are working correctly. Another important deliverable is the integrated system, where different modules are combined and tested together to ensure that they work smoothly in the overall environment. Throughout the development phase, version control records are maintained, tracking the change and updates made to the code. These deliverables ensure that Carousel.com evolves steadily and functions according to the specification, while also allowing the team to track progress and manage updates. Third, the expected deliverables for the validation phase is test plans outlining the types of tests to be conducted, such as functional tests, performance tests, and security tests. Then, the test cases and test results for each feature should be provided, detailing how each part of the website performed during testing. If any bugs or issues are found, bug reports are created, along with their severity and status updates. Additionally, user acceptance testing feedback is collected from real users, which helps to ensure that the website meets user expectation in terms of usability and design. The final deliverable is a validation report that summarizes all the findings from the testing phase. Lastly, the expected deliverables for evolution phase is updated software features. These updates should address any issues identified in previous phases, such as fixing bugs. Along with these updates, new test results are provided to ensure that the newly developed features work correctly and do not interfere with existing functionalities. User feedback reports are also important, showing how real users respond to the change and whether the website meets their evolving needs. Last, version updates are delivered to track the ongoing improvements made to the website. Next, question 4c. Why incremental model was chosen? First, it allows for faster delivery of core features, such as user registration and product listing, which means the website can be launched with basic functionality and improve over time. Secondly, the model offers flexibility for continuous improvement based on user needs and feedback, allowing the development team to refine and add new features in small manageable increments. And then, in terms of process activities, the model starts with the specification phase, and development phase, and validation phase, and lastly, evolution phase. This is our Gantt chart for the incremental development model.
Now I want to present the three interaction styles that are applied in the carousel. The first one is the form filling interaction. The form filling interaction is a form-based design in which the user can enter their personal information to register or log in the account in the form style. It also can be used to search for the information that they want. This interaction style focuses on non-expert users who don't have any computer background. Hence, it is easily to exclude and for any user because the command in the interface being listed out clearly. The next is the menu selection interaction style. The menu selection is a menu-based design in which the user can select the command on the upper left. It is usually side to define the function that they want. The function was arranged by the developer based on their properties. Then all the similar properties of the function will integrate into a menu and it will display on the screen for the selection. The last one is the direct manipulation interaction style. The direct manipulation is a direct way for the user to explore what they want in the form of small representative photo or natural language. While using this interaction style, the user can easily differentiate the function or the object that are provided in the system. This helps the user to shorten their time searching for the usage information for them.
Now let's talk about interaction styles. Carousel employs three key interaction styles to create a seamless and engaging user experience. The first style is direct manipulation. This style allows users to interact directly with elements by swiping, tapping, or dragging. For example, users can swipe through product images or drag images to reorder them during the listing process. This hands-on approach makes the platform intuitive and satisfying to use, giving users giving users a sense of control. The second style is form-fill interaction. Users fill out forms when adding product details or creating profiles. This structured process guides them step by step, ensuring that all necessary information is provided accurately. Tasks requiring detailed input become easier and more reliable, enhancing the overall experience. Last but not least, we have menu selection. Organized menus simplify navigation. Users can browse categories, access notifications, adjust settings, or sort and filter items. This interaction style reduces complexity and makes it easy for users to find specific features or content, improving usability.
Next, we proceed to the question number 5, individual questions, interaction styles. There are 3 interaction styles that I choose. There are direct manipulation, menu selection, and natural language. I choose like icon for the direct manipulation. Users can easily express their preference in things or items to buy simply by clicking the like icon. The like icon will automatically save our favorite type of items and there's data for our future preferences. This action is straightforward and the usage of familiar icon like heart makes it easy for users to understand and learn the usage of Carousell.com. Second, menu selection. The categories are listed so that users can easily access the types of items that they want to search and buy. This action allows the information organized properly for users' conveniences so that the users don't feel overwhelmed when accessing Carousell.com. Third and last, natural language. Natural language improves users' experience by enabling easy-to-navigate search functionality. Users can express their needs of items in conversational language without needing to search through the menus or the categories.
Now I want to present the 3 factors that will influence the confidence gains from the V&V activities. V&V activity is the verification and the validation of the activity, where the verification activity is the checking the software conform to its specification, and the validation activity is checking the software is doing for what the user required. The first factor will influence the confidence is the software function. The level of confidence in the software function is depends on the criticality of the software to the organization. Means that if the software is critical to the organization, then the organization will having the strictly checking to the software. Then the next is user expectation. User may have a low expectation of a certain type of software, but in nowadays the user have a high expectation to the software where the software need to run fast and to reflect it very fast. And it want to smooth, like we usually use the website and nowadays because the last last technology they have not so advanced, so the user may not have the high expectation. And the last is the marketing environment. For certain situation, releasing product to the market first is more than important than finding defect in the software. This is because something new that was released to the market, then the user will try it and feeling that it was a new things and they will explore it, but they will not care about the bugging or something defect in the software. So that if we are develop a new things that to the market, then it's good for us to release the product first compared to we are finding the defect in the software. This is because we are hardly to find the defect, and it was the and that will be tested by a lot of the user. Then good they will give a feedback to us to improve it.
Verification and validation activities play a vital role in building confidence in Carousell software. Let's look at 3 critical factors. The first one is software functions. Carousell software functions such as item listing, search, payment, processing, and messaging must operate without errors. For example, testing the search and filtering system ensures users can quickly find relevant products. Rigorous unit and integration tests guarantee these features work as intended, maintaining a high-quality user experience. Second one is user expectations. Users expect the platform to be secure, smooth, and user-friendly. For instance, the payment processing system must be fast, secure, and free of errors. Comprehensive testing of this feature including security checks and real-world simulations, ensures user trust and satisfaction. We also have competitiveness. The online marketplace is highly competitive, and Carousel must stand out by delivering innovative features. Verification and validation activities ensure that new additions, like AI-driven personalized recommendations, function properly and align with user interests. These tests help boost user engagement and sales, keeping Carousel ahead in the market. One of Carousel's most critical software functions is its payment processing system, which ensures secure and efficient transactions. Users trust the platform to handle their sensitive financial information, and Carousel meets this expectation with robust encryption and fraud prevention measures. Extensive testing is conducted to validate the system's performance, including stress tests to handle large transaction volumes and simulations of real-world scenarios. For example, the payment processing system undergoes functional testing to ensure accuracy and load testing to maintain speed under heavy usage. This attention to detail not only builds user trust but also reinforces Carousel's reputation as a reliable marketplace. A seamless and secure payment system is essential to a platform's success and user satisfaction.
Then, we proceed to the next question, question number 6, individual question. 3 factors that influence the confidence gain from V&V activities based on our case study. First, software function. As a system analyst, I understand that the software functions implemented on Carousel.com play a crucial role in shaping user trust and satisfaction. For example, the integration of two-factor authentication significantly enhances account security by adding an additional layer of protection beyond just a password. Robust and secure software functions are essential for creating a safe environment, ensuring that users feel protected while conducting transactions and building a positive reputation for the platform in the competitive e-commerce market. Second, users' expectation. As a system analyst, meeting users' expectation is a critical factor in building confidence through effective verification and validation activities. Users expect a seamless and reliable experience characterized by fast response times, intuitive navigation, and efficient communication about their transactions. Any disruptions, such as delayed notifications, can lead to frustration and reduce trust in the platform. Third, marketing environment. As a system analyst, I recognize that the market environment significantly impacts the perception and prioritization of verification and validation activities. In the competitive online marketplace landscape, platforms like Carousel.com must continuously adapt to evolving market demands and regulatory standards to attract and retain users. One such adaptation is the implementation of Know Your Customer requirements for high-risk categories, such as luxury goods or financial service. Measures enhance transaction safety by verifying user identities and reducing the risk of fraud and counterfeit listings, aligning with increasing consumer expectation for secure and transparent transactions. And for the highly critical software function, I choose two-factor authentication. This feature is crucial because it adds an extra layer of security to user accounts, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. In an online marketplace like Carousel, where financial transactions and sensitive information such as payment details are involved, ensuring account security is a top priority. The two-factor authentication system requires users to verify their identity using a secondary method like a one-time code sent to their mobile device in addition to their password. This significantly enhances the protection of user accounts against hacking or fraudulent activities.
Now I want to present the 4 factors that will influence the software maintenance cost. First one is team stability. When the team is work from the development phase to the maintenance phase, they are accumulate the valuable knowledge about the system so that they can shorten the maintenance period, and it also will decrease in the maintenance cost. The next is the contractual responsibility. When the developer of the system who are only focused on the software development, they are not responsibility to think how the hardware will be in the maintenance phase, so that they are think about themselves how they can easily to build up the software to their customer. Next is the staff skill. For the maintenance staff who are late experienced and having a limited knowledge about the system, will cause the system maintenance period become harder, become longer, and it will cost the increasing in the maintenance cost. The last is the program age and the structure. If a program is older, then the structure of the program is degraded due to the obsolete technology. So that if the company want to find the person who are expert in this technology, it's very harder, and it will be longer the maintenance period in the it will longer the maintenance period, and it will cost the maintenance cost become more. That's all from us. Thank you.